Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore your clear coat. As you guys see, this portion is heavy, damaged with the sun. This clear coat is damaged with the sun. So today I'm going to show you how to restore that. And also you can look at it over here on the top, and then just look on this bottom. This is good, not damaged, and this top is damaged. Okay, we're going to use this clay to clean the surface before we're gonna polish. This is just water, but I guess you can guys buy on the internet some stuff for a clay too, but I'm just using water. And what you guys need to do, need to make this thing wet and just put this thing over and just keep moving like that. So this way you will clean everything what can damage the clear coat as you're gonna be going with the polisher. Just keep doing like that and keep changing. As you guys see, a little dirty, so it picks up all that dirt. Now I'm gonna go to this side too. As you guys see, this side damaged too. And as you're gonna be going like that, you're gonna be feeling that you're catching something. So basically this thing will be picking up all the dirt that's left over on the clear coat that you can't wash it away. So that's why you have to use this clay bar to get the surface clean. All right, so now we're gonna wipe it and we're gonna start polishing. Okay, using this ultimate compound color and clear coat restoration. You can buy this anywhere in Walmart or any auto store. So just gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get the clean microfiber and wipe this off. Alright guys, after finishing polishing this, just the first layer, as you guys see the difference on this one, and you can see over here a little bit I overlapped it, so it's already started doing the job. And then this is the damaged area, not worked yet, and then you can see the difference in here, and you can see a difference in here. All right, now I'm going to be doing this area. I already went with a clay bar. I'm supposed to cover the slide, but I'm going to be careful. So first I'm going slow. that's spreading the material. I think it looks amazing. Wow. You guys gonna see where so this is where I went this pass. That's where I stopped. And as you can see, it bringing 100% result, looks beautiful.